Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. So today I will present about the chapter 6, which is mathematics of finance. Alright, so financial mathematics is the application of mathematical method of financial problems, um, which is equivalence name. So sometimes use quantitative finance, financial engineering, mathematical finance, and the computational finance is draw a tools of from profitability, statistic, stochastic processes, and economic theory. Alright, so as we can see at the slide, which is time value of money. Term value of money is the concept the sum of money equals more now than the same sum will be at the future date due to the earning potential in the interim. So what I can understand, which is the term value of money is the widely accepted conjunction that there is greater benefit to receiving a sum of money now rather than article sum later. This may be seen as the application of the later developed concept of time preference. Alright, so the important is investor to make informed decision about what to do with their money in best option. Alright, so number one is the related to the concept of inflation and purchasing power. Has a negative relation with inflation effect on value of ringgit. So if we have impact of the inflation, so it's also impact time value of money, which is the ringgit measure will decrease the amount. Alright, so why a compounding interest? Compounding interest to evaluate the value of the present ringgit tomorrow, as the inflation can make value of ringgit less worse tomorrow than today. They have a growth over time. For example, saving account deposit are rewarded with interest as the principal increase over time. The interest also decrease, also increase, divide by 2, which is present value, PV, and future value. Present value is the current value of a future sum of money or stream of cash flow given a specified rate of return, which is future cash flow are discounted at the discount rate, and the higher the discount rate, the lower the present value of the future cash flow. Alright, the current value of future sum of money of stream of cash flow given a specific rate of return. Alright, so the importance of present value, which is allow investor to judge whether or not the price they pay for investment in the appropriate. Inform how much money that needed to have now in order to make certain amount in the future. Next one is the future value, FV. Future value is the value of a asset at the specific date, which is measure the nominal future sum of money that a given sum of money is worth as a specified time in the future, assuming a certain interest rate, or more generally, rate of return is a present value multiplied by the accumulation function. Right, so important investor and financial planner to estimate how much an investor made today will be worth in the future. This is the future value, and it's a review the future value of investment. So this is a formula, which is a FV, same PV equal 1 plus N divided by T, where FV future value of money, PV is present value of money, I which is the interest rate, and N number of accounting period per year. So let me see the question, for example, of the time value of money. Alright, let's assume sum of $1,000 invested for 1 year at a 4% interest compounded annually. The future value of the money is FV is 100 equal 1 plus 0.04, which is a 4% of the interest compounded. So divide by 100. uh, divide by 2, uh, 2 divide by 5, which is we can get the 100, 1.02, 10. So that's all for the chapter 6. Thank you.